Do you know how to make the most of your FSA funds before the end of the year? That's the question we're tackling today. Flexible spending accounts, or FSAs, are an excellent tool for employees. They allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars from each paycheck to cover qualified medical expenses. It's like having a personal healthcare fund that you contribute to throughout the year. But here's the catch: it's a use it or lose it deal. If you don't spend your FSA funds by December 31st, you risk losing them. That's why it's crucial to maximize your FSA dollars before the year ends. You don't want your hard-earned money to go to waste, do you? The maximum amount you can contribute in 2023 is $3,050. So there's quite a bit at stake here. Remember, if you don't use it, you lose it. So let's dive into how you can ensure you're making the most of your FSA dollars. The first step to maximizing your FSA funds is to know how much money you have left. So, how do you go about checking your FSA balance? It's quite straightforward, actually. Most employers offer an online portal where you can quickly view your balance. If you're unsure of how to access this, a quick chat with your HR department will set you on the right path. If you prefer using your smartphone, there are also mobile apps available that can keep you updated on your FSA balance with just a few taps. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with a personal touch, you can always contact your HR department directly. They should be able to provide you with your current balance and any other information you need. Remember, it's your hard-earned money and it's essential to understand where it stands. Knowing your balance will help you understand how much you need to spend before the year ends. With your balance in mind, it's time to review your reimbursements for the year. So, what exactly qualifies for FSA reimbursement? This covers a vast range of medical expenses, from your routine doctor's visits and prescription medications, right through to certain over-the-counter products. Yes, that's right. Even your Band-Aids and sunscreen can get you some cash back. To review your reimbursements, you'll want to navigate to your FSA provider's website or app, where you'll usually find a section dedicated to your account activity. Here, you'll see a list of all your claims for the year. Carefully go through this list, and keep an eye out for any potential unclaimed expenses. Did you forget to submit a claim for that dentist visit back in July? Or that prescription refill last month? It's easy to overlook these smaller expenses, but they can add up quickly. Remember, every eligible expense counts towards maximizing your FSA funds. Now that you've identified your eligible expenses, it's time to submit your claims. The process is straightforward and can be done through various methods. One of the most convenient ways is through online portals provided by your FSA provider. You can also mail or even fax your claims to the designated address or number. But remember, the key to successful claim submission lies in your receipts and documentation. Always keep a record of your medical expenses. These documents should clearly indicate the service provider, the date of service, the type of service, and the amount you paid. Submitting your claims is not a one-and-done deal. It's a process that needs your attention. Keep track of your submissions and follow up if necessary. Submitting your claims promptly ensures you get reimbursed and can use up your FSA funds before the deadline. So don't delay, start submitting your claims today and make the most out of your FSA funds. So, to recap, here's how to make the most of your FSA funds before the year ends. First and foremost, it's crucial to keep an eye on your FSA balance. Regularly checking it will give you a clear idea of how much money you have left to use. The next important thing to do is to review your reimbursements. Ensure you've been properly reimbursed for all eligible medical expenses. If there are any discrepancies, promptly address them. The third key point is to submit your claims without delay. Remember, the deadline is usually December 31st of the plan year, so don't wait until the last minute. Also, keep in mind the use it or lose it policy. If you don't use your FSA funds before the deadline, you risk losing any remaining balance. It's your hard-earned money, so don't let it go to waste. Remember, your FSA funds are there to help you. Make the most of them before the year ends and ensure you're not leaving money on the table. All right, we hope you found this guide on maximizing your FSA funds helpful. If this video brought value to your day and gave you some new insights, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us to reach more people like you. Also, if you've got any questions, or maybe you have some of your own tips on maximizing FSA funds that you'd like to share, please drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful financial guides like this one. Remember, your financial health is important. Stay informed, stay proactive, and make the most of your money. Until next time.